Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you would like to see how I created this makeup look using the Perceptions collection by MakeupShayla and Colourpop, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I just got my Perceptions by MakeupShayla and Colourpop in the mail, and I decided that I want to record a look. So let's get started. Bitch, look at this palette. Aren't these colors beautiful? Like, I went and got the whole collection. I got the palette. I got the 3 lipsticks that it comes with. I also got, and I've already opened all these things. I also got the highlight, like the loose powder highlight. So let's get started. Oh, one more thing. And I also got the lip gloss. So I already put the primer on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation, and this palette has a mirror, so that's what I'm going to be using to look at because it just makes my life easier. And I decided not to color correct because the foundation I'm using right now, foundation that I'm using right now is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting. So it's a foundation and a concealer. So yeah. And I just like, I'll show you what I tried. I tried this and I came to the conclusion that I am just a cosmetic wedge girl. Or brush, but that's the silicone looking chicken cutlet situation is not for me. But kudos to everyone who likes it because I don't know. I felt like my makeup and my foundation were like just sitting on top of my skin. And I didn't like that, so, because it was like creasing up. So, I tried it. I will try almost everything makeup wise at least once. But then I have like the tried and true stuff that I just love, and I just always use, like my cosmetic widgets. They've never disappointed. Okay. So next, I'm kind of doing this kind of fast, like a highlight and contour and stuff, because I'm really excited about making this shadow look. That's what I am most excited about. There should never be to beat. So the first color I'm using is called Culture.
So the color I'm using now in my crease is September. The color that I'm using now is Shade. I also added in Strut and Slay off camera when I filled in my eyebrows to help complete this eyeshadow look.
So far from what I can see, this is about to work. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Okay. That is gosh. Okay, I literally look like the fairy godmother just said boom. Okay, yeah, that's booming. Ah, yeah, I think I was ready. Yep. Ooh. Okay, that was good. I like it. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely a fan. Yeah. Now I just need to put on some lashes and some That's what this is. Quickie. And Come On Sis. So let's see what Come On Sis looks like. There we go. Let's see what Quickie looks like. Quickie. Ow! So I'm going to use my NYX liner in the color Nude. And NYX color Nude. I want to use these Quickie. I keep dropping stuff. Yeah. Last step. You know your girl loves the sun. Mascara and some lashes. I look like a local complete. Wispies.
And I went ahead and put on my second lash off camera to help complete this look.
So that's the end of today's tutorial. I hope that you really liked it. I can honestly say I really like all of these products, from the highlighters to the lipstick, the palette. So it really worked really well. I didn't even, outside of using my foundation and like my face primer, I was really able to use pretty much just these products. So I really liked it. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye.